Welcome to JAG-ONE Physical Therapy. My name is Andrew Atalla. I am the clinical director of our JAG-ONE location in West Orange, New Jersey. Today I will be demonstrating the clamshell exercise that will help strengthen our hip muscle. We will ask the patient to put a TheraBand around their knee. We're going to keep the feet together laying on our side. And what we're going to do, keeping our feet together, we're going to lift the knee up to about this high and back down. We're going to repeat that 3 sets of 10, being mindful not to rotate from the hip. And you should be able to feel your glute muscles being activated with this exercise. So again, you could repeat this exercise 3 sets of 10, utilizing a TheraBand around your knee. Our next exercise to benefit strengthening our hip muscles will be the bridge exercise. We're going to utilize the TheraBand around our knee like so. We're going to ask the patient to keep the feet shoulder width apart, and we're going to push a little bit against the resistance, lift our back off the floor, good, and we're gonna hold that for 3, 2, 1, come back down nice and slow and controlled, and we're gonna try that one more time. So push, hold, come on up, 3, 2, 1, and we're going to repeat that 3 sets of 10. The straight leg raise hip abduction exercise helps strengthen our hip muscles. So we're going to utilize, again, a TheraBand around our knee. The patient will stay on their side just like so. The bottom knee will stay bent. We'll straighten the top knee, bring it back. We're gonna bring our toes towards you, perfect. And you're going to lift the leg up about here, good job, and come back all the way down. And we're going to repeat that 3 sets of 10. The hip flexor stretch will help us stretch the front of the hip. The patient will kneel down on a pillow or a foam pad like so. The one leg will go in the front. The stretching hip will go on the pillow. We will raise the opposite arm up and lean forward while arching the back slightly. You should feel the stretch right in the anterior, in the front of the hip. You will hold the stretch for approximately 20 seconds, and we'll repeat that 5 times. So we'll ask the patient to lift their hand up. You're gonna lunge forward a little bit, arch that back, and the nice stretch should be felt right in front of that hip. And we will hold that pose for about 20 seconds, and we'll repeat it 5 times. Performing that squat exercise will help us strengthen the hip as well. It will target our quads and hamstring muscles. So we'll be utilizing the band around the thighs as so. It will help us maintain the knee alignment with the hip. So we'll ask the patient to push against the band a little bit. We're gonna stick our glutes out and we will go into squat. Very good. Trying to keep the back nice and neutral. Come on up. Okay, squat again for me, please. Be aware not to let the knees collapse inward. And we're going to repeat that 3 sets of 10.